This video will provide an overview of the EuroNCAP VTC Videos Automation and Reporter in Oasys 21. This video covers the EuroNCAP VTC Videos Automation and Reporter. If you have not already seen the EuroNCAP VTC Videos YouTube video that covers the tool as a standard workflow, please watch it first. Before I run through a demo using Reporter, please be aware that it is possible to run this template in batch mode, which is a great way of automatically generating the VTC videos after each LS-DYNA run. For more details about running Reporter templates in batch, please consult the Reporter manual. For the purposes of this demo, I have already set up my EuroNCAP VTC videos workflow JSON data in Primer using the standard workflow process. However, it contains some invalid data to show you the process. You do not have to set up the workflow data before running the Reporter template. Once you've started Reporter, click on the Automotive tab, filter by Virtual Testing, and then select EuroNCAP VTC videos. Once open, you will be prompted to select the LS-DYNA keyword file of the job you wish to post-process. You will then be asked whether you want to continue with the default results and output directories or configure them in Primer. I'll accept the default directories. D3plot will then launch automatically to check your model data. As mentioned earlier, I had some invalid workflow data, so Primer opens with this load error message to show what is wrong, and it will say I have an invalid left knee beam. I also mentioned earlier that you do not need any workflow data to run the Reporter template. It is at this stage where you can set it all up from scratch if you wish. So we're now in Primer and the model is loading in, and then the load error message that I spoke about earlier is about to pop up. If I press OK, then the Primer EuroNCAP VTC videos GUI loads up and clearly shows the issue. I'll fix it now and save to file. Once I've done this, Primer will close and D3plot will again automatically launch to generate the report. If there is still missing data, that the report will attempt to generate the report with as much data as it has available. Where videos can't be produced, then a missing data image will be displayed. Reporter automatically calculates the views and exports the videos. If you have previously adjusted any of the views, as long as you have selected the relevant output directory, then Reporter will use the saved views. On the first page of the report, an overview of the results is presented. The following pages will show each view in more detail. So that's the D3plot run completed, and here's the first page. If you are not satisfied with any of the camera angles, click Edit View to update the camera positions. This will fire off D3plot with a simplified version of the standard workflow VTC videos GUI. So as we're doing now, D3plot is once again firing up. Once the GUI loads, click on More Info for a reminder of what the view should look like. Simply then edit your view, set the quality and press Save View and Export Video. Once this is done, you will receive a message to say the video has been saved and to close D3plot and return to Reporter to view the updated video. Back in Reporter, click OK on the Video Updated Successfully message, and you can now see your updated video. As well as viewing the videos in Reporter, the video files are automatically saved to the output directory. Hopefully the tool helps you generate the videos required by the EuroNCAP VTC protocol. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.